Ki Atlik Association ki bepet ya ka bha kamiat ki Trai Trok Harilum Jaiñtia kata ke Jaiñtia Hills Truck Owners Association JHTOA ha kejilam uba biang shwa shilla President lem ka East Jaiñtia Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association EJHTOTA ha ke shipotrik urampang arajar arpondrio kila wan ya kendo bad ya kran bad uba snyau bahalang dhar usumbut menteri rangba uba dipet ya ketenat transport ban kentu ya ke sorkar ban pentrai kam da ka Skhim Kyrpang halor ki kot kali. Kini ki association ki Dawa ya ka special one-time settlement scheme SOTS for regularization of vehicle documents with long-term areas kabamut ban pentrai kam da ki Skhim Kyrpang ka bashisin halor ki kot kali batrai kam khambon kapor namar babon ki nongdon kali khamtam ki baduna jingkamai kimla ban penbet penbiang ya ki kot kum ki permit fitness certificate taxes bat kiwe. Shosho laang baka jinglum khajana bat ki outstanding tax halor kapor ka bajlan kalabu jing na kabenta ki badon kali ban penbiang ya ki kot hakarukom pentrai kam babenta.
Iwan hane ban kerpa di minister padon prom jungi ka point ka badon kam kadai na kabenta ka concession na mata ki tax bagin dei ban siu ya ka sarkar ya ki kali ibon balai yap kot nang ki port i minister la kularingi ban irap ngi karpla jai and plus na kabenta ka jingpha bar ka jing dei kam lang bat mangi bat ki sim factory bagan ya bet bagan ya denti ila kularingi ban puat ki kata kala kanti bagin poi sa kata kathong ha ka jing kit jingba da ka baya ya denti klem kono kono ka jing dawa ka ban persnio shalti siking lane ka ban hala lane ka ban demand da ka ba khang ki kali ni wan ro krani i da ka badan ko dom rom mi la snap ki persnio jungi ni kermen scam bat ni shania hei sir snya bhalang dhar deputy chief minister jungi banagi Porsche ke por komba ilaju rap yangi de ki fausit ni community bagani artli kam ki mat bani on rai I mata ka singiru kin poi sa ka thong jogi job kubleshibon
nang kani association dei kan kadai na kai na details na jogi
kidei na bro artli ki district na East Jaiñtia ban na West Jaiñtia
kabugri ko ki na Trok
ga kam dei tangga group jong nya Trok kadai jong ka wakit baba yaga kya ka son. In a simple term, we are the transporters of the cement and all the available good and products which is available from our both two of our district.
Kau kebaik kita tangki mar kan?
Kedai bakit di Marwal. Ban ya kan thok pramangi ngim just na kata. Mo bangin ong uwe babha uwe babi jude ban penonton I kata. We are here as an educated people. We will follow the system and in what nakala kalanti ka babha. Om da kabani ka dokti we ngim justana kata ban ka dokti boutei une kane katai we are here for a purpose and the purpose is for the benefits of our people na kabanta ka jai brio jungi ki khai ki khantam ki panar jungi badon stai ki badawa ya ka jingsha ka bade ki de banyo namar bro ki mar ki mata ki mi na station hi so Jaiñtia hi tingi ki mi lanti ba ya ka bade ban le ngin le andai ban ya ka dokti iwe nginom dalale ginom tre. At the present moment, we are so proud to announce through the big contribution of this present NPP government, lamba isa sing wahadar, but isa preston, yung previous meeting yung balade. We are very happy, yung rate bala provide, and yung community ba kani ka rate kan yag bechakmat, lani da don kano ka change ru, da ka bayas tu jumud lang ka government, but mangi ginong kayi pateng, ginong kinong ba. Ni kloy ban yawat ya kita gila nanti ban poi saka jing ha jing biat saka jing yo nong jong ki kam ki jam jungi bro obviously tade pamhun te ni wan dire sane ni hun and ni dang expect ni wan chini om no mata kata don ni wan chini mata kasi na kamanta ki kot kali na kamanta ka case ka badon ba fa badon ba challenge om no mata kata do ya ka dor ngala ong lupa pi mane wi thang ni ai kubli 6000 ngu ya kani ka sarkar ka badon mata na do chief minister badon rom jungi kam tahu isra preston sar so halang jungi lemen swa kadi ka perthai ka juk pemandai bangi yai de khulom bad de register menta kadi ka perthai online bon ki brio jungi sigi state ki than Jaiñtia jungi kidang don ki jing duna habawat yu au bir kim nang reh de ki don kali mostly menta ka government kala provide in a very systematic way ya ki banang pa start kala kadi ka jingi rap ka jingi menta ka babone namar they send reminder they nagi por ki lai alert tang babon ki prolog jungi badon kali stay kim danang mal pule puthi kim danang ban pet bhai court sla ta kada dengan laps and especially naga banta ka penalties ngon ban kren ne na da feel ko kali singir ko ju san banair ko ju So we came here to approach the government for special consideration, and we hope, and we know, and we trust, but this government will do something for us. Kay kam gila akan kam jam hiba, bani ka ba ong si ai kata kan niya mo, ngila i ba nadu no gila ya ki kam gijam, nadu po kan ka sarkar. We have got so many facilities. You can see with your own. Welcome to our place. Most ki jaka gi sulok gi lanti gi singking gila kham he kham sok ki driver jongi kham yo banyat benyen nak basuk mensemo om ko menswa the pihak na jwa Shillong, you'll find so many potholes. Ya Bynta, you can sit, relax and drive. See, the system bakalalong you are holding a mobile right now, which we are dealing with technology. But previously we don't have that, right? So these days, kalalong ko pakapor ba kapatay bro ko kalay update. So kibriyo jongiru, we also want them to be updated, but we have a special request through the government. Ya kato ka penalties, but kato ka fine ka barim, bagan don ka air ka ba. Kajingerap nakaliyang sarkar kung kajag scheme, lene ka subsidy, lene one-time settlement for all those lapsed documents. See, boss, kata I'll tell you very straightforward in front of press and media. Kadai ka department kaban impose ka penalty, umday mangi, ngide tang ginang bukali, kakamram jugi kadai bansiyo. Then ka impose, I cannot go to the department and inquire and I do anything. We just wait for the penalties. Namar kachong ka system ka company juga government. Nagmata jungi. Jing Dawa jungi si there are some penalties, but the feel si sniru kadai ka jugo fine, the feel si benar kadai ka jugo fine, the feel san benar kadai ka jugo among. So we want to, we request and we hope that it will be done, but there should be some one-time settlement da kabayarap ni in all the parameters. Day tang namata ka penalties but slim and renew permit. Day tang namata ka penalties but slim and renew road tax. Day namata penalties but slim other documents. Yek we don't come. Yek Bynta, we have high hope on this government and I am sure but something good will happen to us. Namar ka backbone jonga industries, ka backbone jonga state. Ka revenue ka bon bumi kadai nangi station hi. And a gentle reminder, baga kakit ka ba ni transporter ilang kum upudlom jonga state. Dang ikit ni ba kar income jonga state ka kill. So through the transport means and ways, we contribute a lot to the growth of the economy of the state.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.